Just wanted to share with you guys this project that we were working on in here. And just want to point out that I like to do this because as shop teachers, as you know, we sometimes are accused of not sharing our stuff like we should. Well, so I'm going to share this with you. Many of you are familiar with this project that we did at a professional development workshop right there. Did it at Butte College here a while back. Anyway, we used all CNC work with that. We used the CNC plasma, then we used the CNC press brake, and then we welded it up and grinded it. Anyway, so I had a student that was interested in that, and I said, well, so gave him some ideas and some pointers, and we got it done. It's a pretty neat project. So I'm going to show you how we did that. So we started with a piece of flat cardboard, drew it out how he thought it was going to be, and came up with this design. Used a utility knife to kind of cut it there a little bit so he could have some cool bends. The tape represents where it's going to be welded. That's what he came up with. Turned out pretty good. So we measured it with a tape measure, and he took his design, or his set of plans, so to speak, to a CAD program. Well, we use Adobe Illustrator. There's lots of different CAD programs you can use, but that's what we have at our school. We have Adobe Illustrator on every computer. On the computer screen with Adobe Illustrator, the student drew it out. I just kind of showed him how to make the corners and how to draw the lines. He started with a square, started with multiple squares, and drew the joints and the corners and stuff. And it came out like this, and it's a pretty good drawing. He did it in about 30 minutes and was very surprised at how easy it was. Adobe Illustrator he's using again. Well, from here, he moves to, we're going to export this. We're going to export this to a DXF file. So, a little quick tutorial here. So we export it as a DXF file from Adobe Illustrator to DXF. We're going to export it to a known folder. And then we open a nesting software. I happen to use NestMaster. You might have something different. But with NestMaster, I add the part. There's my trapezoid. Shows up on my preview screen. Add the part. Here it is up here. Nest it. Bam. There it is nested. We're going to now, we have to convert it to a CNC file. So we right click, output, and we select the USB drive here, and we output it. Then we take the USB drive to the CNC machine. Okay, so I pull this, I just pull it out of the computer and walk over to the CNC machine. Like this, with the thumb drive. Migrating to the CNC machine. So I've already migrated out here with the thumb drive to the machine. It's a Koike. I'm not going to cut it out for you today. First thing you would do is put some metal there, of course, but thumb drive's inserted. So you would hit F2 for thumb files and USB files. There it is. So navigate to that guy. Can preview it. Then I'm going to copy it to the hard drive. F6 is going to copy it to the hard drive, which I already did. So I go to hard drive files here, so F1. And then I have to find it. And it is right, right there's my trapezoid. Trapezoid CNC. So I hit F8 for OK. It's ready to cut. So I'm going to use my arrows to navigate here to where I want to start. Once I find that spot, I reset my numbers here, start, enter, and I cut the part out. It's so easy. It's so simple. So that's what that student did. And he cut the part out. He then took it over to machine shop and he made the bends. That's what it looks like. He's not done with it. He's gonna shine it up a little bit, but he welded it, welded the corners, grinded it down. He's got a little bit more work to do, but I just wanted to show you how simple that something like this can be. You gotta have a machine shop to make your bends. Press brake is where we're going with this. I don't have a press brake in my shop, but maybe in the future. Simple project, pretty cool. Can be done easily with a little bit of guidance. Thanks for watching. And this is the final project, the final product. Looks pretty good. Smooth joints, cool cutout. I think it looks great. Come over here and show you the initial cutouts. See these big ones right here are what they look like when you bent them. He's gonna make a couple more of them. Hey, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Have a good day.